In this lesson, I want to show you how to create a landing page as a teacher author using Convertkit. You do not need to have a website or a blog to start using Convertkit and start gaining email subscribers. Having an email list is one of the best ways to connect with your audience because you have instant access to their email box. So this is just some examples of some landing pages I have. Then I'm going to show you how to create them. In another lesson, I'll show you how you would tag those subscribers and add them to an email sequence. An email sequence is a way for you to send out a welcome email and then to introduce them to who you are and what your products are. But right now, we just want to be able to collect their email and have them on our list. And to do that, you simply create a landing page. It's very easy. This is one example of mine for teacher authors. They would put their first name here and their email here. They would click the button, whatever you want to say on the button, download now, and then they're directed to a thank you page. For me, they were also getting access to a training, and so I was talking about that in my landing page, the date. But you would just say you're in, thank you, check your email for your freebie. Here's another example. This is a reel for teacher authors. Same thing. They would put in their email and their first name, send me the goods. Here's the thank you page. And I said, today you will score big, stay updated with tips and tricks. I even linked to my Instagram and Facebook group. So this is just a way for you to thank them for coming to your page. Another thing you can do is, whoops, I have first name twice on here. We'll have to fix that. But they would put their first name, their email address, and then when they click here, they're going to be sent to a different URL. And for me, this is a way for them to have $1 trial of my membership. We're not going to do that today. We're just going to do our simple thank you pages. I just wanted to show you what you could do with your landing pages. So let's go ahead and get started and create a landing page together. First, I am going to, while I'm here, just click on this text box and I'm going to delete this field because I don't need 2 first names. Okay, so to get started in Convertkit with creating a landing page, you're going to click on this Grow button and Landing Page and Forms. When you get to Landing Pages and Forms, you're going to see Create New. Go ahead and click that Create New button. After you click the Create New, you'll have a choice of a form or a landing page. A form is when you want to embed that form into a website or blog. We're not doing that. We just want a link. Creating a landing page gives me a link that I can share anywhere on social media or on a pin. Wherever you can add a link, that's where it can go. So I'm going to do a landing page, and it's going to come up with lots of different templates. I can even choose different types of templates, like a product template, whatever. I'm just going to choose a simple one today. I like just having the image here. It makes it clear and easy so I know what to do. I'm going to click choose. And now I'm going to edit it for me. I'm going to put my title here. The title I want, we're just going to do Free Escape Room. And this is just for you so you know what it is for. And I'm going to call it test because I'm going to delete it after this. I just wanted to show you how to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this picture background here, and I'm going to upload my own image. Now I've already put my image on here. I've already uploaded it. I clicked this choose a file and upload. It's right here. And there's my background image. And I think that looks nice. I can change the transparency. I can make it all the way light. I liked that 40%. I thought that looked nice. So we're going to keep that there. Then I'm going to change this to be my own logo. What I did find that I had to do, I needed to click replace, is I couldn't use my regular size logo because it was giant. So I had to make a smaller logo. And what I did is I just went over into Canva and I made a new design, and I just did a square design, and I brought in my logo and I just made it really small and centered it. So just kind of make it smaller, whatever you think. And then I saved it as a transparent image and I downloaded it as this PNG. Then that is what I, uploaded onto Convertkit. So once I made that smaller image, I just went ahead and clicked on here, replaced, and then I chose the smaller image. See, that looks way better. Now I'm just going to edit this to fit my brand. First, I'm going to start with the subscribe button and I'm going to change the color. I do that in Canva as well. I keep all of my colors in my brand hub, but just take whatever your hex code is for a color in your brand that you want to use. I like to use the red button when I'm doing links and buttons for my business. Then subscribe to our newsletter. That's kind of boring. I'm just going to say like, get your free escape game now. Then I'm going to give a little more detailed information. I might say, provided for grades 3 through 5, get your students learning with this breakout game now. You might say review math content and have all your class engaged, or whatever you want to say as they learn. I don't know, review math content and have all your class engaged as they learn together. Whatever you want to say, I wouldn't make it too wordy because if it's too wordy, people are going to jump and leave this page really quick. So just make it easy, simple, get your free escape game now. Like here's a picture of the escape game. This is what you're getting. This is what's included. Now you could just end it here. And then there's a free, or not a free, there's a simple thank you page already included with Convertkit. But I want to actually just add my own thank you page. It's really simple. So I'm going to change this image back to the tiny image here. And then thanks for signing up. Check your email for your free game. Check your email for your free game. It should arrive in the next few minutes. And that's all I'm going to say, like really quick and easy. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the actual email that they're going to get or the free resource that they're going to get as well. So when a visitor subscribes to this page, show a success message. Nope, I'm going to redirect them to this thank you page. Then with my domain, I'm going to choose my Teresa Quant one. You set that up when you're setting up Convertkit. And then this is free escape game. That's what's going to be at the end of the URL when they get to this landing page. Your incentive is the freebie you've created that you're giving away when they sign up for your email. I'm going to edit my email contents. I'm going to make this really quick and easy and simple. They signed up, they just want your freebie. So I'm going to call this your free escape game. Thanks for signing up. I am so glad you are here. Click the link below to confirm your subscription and you'll be on your way. I think that sounds great. You can add whatever you want. Instead of confirm yours, well, they do need to click on that to confirm their subscription. So I'll probably just keep that the same. But I am going to go ahead and change my button color to this one here. It's good to have you. Then put your name or whatever you want as your sign. Thanks for signing up. I'm so glad you are here. Click the link below to confirm your subscription and your escape game will arrive shortly. I want it quick. I want it simple. I just want them to confirm their subscription to get on my list. And then I click save. So you wrote your incentive email. You will not choose auto confirm. You can click that and read why you should not auto confirm subscribers. But basically, it just makes it easier for bots to join your list. And we don't want to do that. So we do want to have that double opt-in. Then you can either have a URL to your freebie, or I like to have a download. So I will choose, I already chose it, but we're just going to do it again so you can see. Open here, and it's loading, it's attaching it. Save. So I'll save it here. So then when I save it and we go through this landing page, when someone subscribes to your email, they will get this download in their incentive email. So you want to make sure you have that there. They will be directed and told to check their email, and in their email will be your free download. It's that simple. That's all you have to do. So I'm going to go ahead and preview it here. We put our first name and our email address in and then click subscribe. We're just in preview mode, so I want to make sure it's saved. But you can go ahead and preview it, and it should all work just the way you need it. And thank you for signing up. Check your email for your free game. It should arrive in the next few minutes. Then I check my email, it's there, they're on my list, we're ready to go. So let's check. But having this landing page is very simple. You can just share that by coming here to your landing page, clicking publish, and then this is the link you will share on social media or on Pinterest, wherever you want, and that's what you'll share to get people to sign up. And it looks like I have two first names here. So I'm going to click here and I'm just going to delete one of those. But it's all ready to go. I'll just click publish and I'll share that link with my audience so that they can start joining my email list.